It's kind of weird the way that I found out about avionics.
I was a couple years out of college and just trying to find my place.
I was working at auto parts.
Retail, nothing fancy.
I used to work at a hydraulics company where I would design plow trucks.
I did construction.
I had no knowledge of the industry before I started.
I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering with an emphasis in aerospace engineering.
I got a master's in aerospace engineering.
I started off in the military, working on electrical components and avionics.
Originally went to school for aerospace engineering for rockets.
I was an aircraft mechanic on fighter jets.
I was looking for something that translated into a good paying job in the civilian world.
I discovered that planes were way cooler.
When I got out of high school, I was looking for a trade school to go to.
I like to read the newspaper.
I saw a commercial for aviation maintenance.
I found it on Craigslist.
Ran into a aviation recruiter.
There was a general aviation manufacturer in town.
I saw a little announcement there that says, do you like electronics? Do you like aircraft? You can become an avionics technician.
Interviewed my first aviation job, and I've been here ever since.
I thought, this is the place I need to be.
I always loved my airplanes.
All unit, okay.
I grew up in East Germany when I was a child. I liked to go to the airport to see how those airplanes take off and fly in countries where I couldn't go at the time. So I thought someday maybe I would be able to go there too.